Evening everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. 28th of August, 7 o'clock in the evening, just got home from work, bank holiday. Hooray for retail, eh? Anyway, today's job, or tonight's job, is planting these. Variety Charlotte, so potatoes for Christmas. So, if I turn the camera around, we'll have a little look. As I say, potato planting end of August, which always used to be a bit of a crazy thing if you'd ever mentioned planting potatoes in August, but actually by using a first early type of potato such as Charlotte, you can get a crop ready for Christmas. Essentially, a first early variety will produce a crop within about 10 to 12 weeks. So these are perfect, they will still grow at the cooler temperatures, but planting now, you've still got September to get started and October. And the thing with planting now, as opposed to your traditional potatoes planted in the March time, is that, well, the ambient temperature is that much warmer, so you don't need to worry about chitting or earthing up or protecting your potatoes as they sprout from the cold. You can literally plant them. So for this, I'm going to be using these plastic pots, and these are approximately a 12 litre by volume container. Old containers that I found at the bottom of the garden behind the shed. So yeah, if I set the camera up and then we can have a look just at how to set these up and plant them to hopefully get a crop. Right, let's start, Get some gloves on so don't get too filthy. And this is just some normal multi-purpose compost. And for this, probably just want about 3 inches worth of compost into the base to get the plants out, or not plants, potatoes out. In actual fact, these are already started sprouting. So sprouty end to the top, and we're just going to put it in like so into that compost and backfill around it with the compost. Give it light firming. Firm it down as you get to the top. And just leaving a bit of a gap to act as your water reservoir, and that is one done. Just repeat basically. So yeah, a couple of inches potato into base and fill, and that's as simple as it gets. Just repeat the process, in this case 10 times. Okay, all finished, all 10 pots done. Did actually work out that I had enough compost, had to dip into the 4th bag, which actually means that these containers are closer to about 16 litres worth of compost rather than a 12. So glad I bought that extra bag. So yeah, anyway, job done. Gonna move them around the side of the house, and like I say, just keep them on the moist side, don't let them dry out, and harvest for Christmas. Right, back out 11th of September, 2 weeks on from planting the Christmas potatoes, and you can see that all of the pots have now got sprouts appearing, and all I'm doing is every other day just giving them a drink, watering to the top, keeping the top on the moist side, and essentially just initializing the growth. So yeah, that's where we're at this stage. So we're on 19th of October, Christmas potato update. You can see they're all doing pretty well. As I keep saying, they are early potatoes, so do not expect your potato plants to go into a flowering stage. Most likely they won't, due to temperatures and well, nature's more intelligent than that really. But yeah, so you can see nice decent plants, multiple stems on all of them now, which is good. That just shows that you've got some good vigour from down below. A little bit of dog damage, but on the whole they're looking good. And yeah, essentially we'll just leave them to do their thing now until the weather really turns, at which point they might need a little bit of protection, but other than that they stay outside. Well, it's 5th of November, bit of an update on the potatoes. So they've been out here the whole time, and as you can see by the foliage, we've had our first frost. Well, we've had 2 nights of frost. Unfortunately the greenhouse wasn't quite ready to be able to get them in, so this is the result really. So basically, yeah, tonight they'll be hopefully tucked up in the greenhouse, which have now cleaned and bubble wrapped, so that give them a bit of protection. And yeah, fingers crossed this frost and them getting pretty wet from the storm won't impact the production of potatoes for winter. So that's the update. Well, not exactly the plant condition I was hoping to show you, but these down here are the winter potatoes, or Christmas potatoes. So we're 21st of November, and having had 3 really hard frosts to the point of ice on the car, it's gone down to 4 degrees. This is what the potatoes are looking like. So they're in the greenhouse, but the greenhouse isn't heated. Variety Charlotte, so got those ones in there, dog there, and these couple here which look exactly the same. So I'll be honest, I don't know how they're going to turn out, whether there be much crop at all. So in that vein, might as well tip some out and have a look. Let's have a look at the first one, see what's there. I'm suspecting not a lot, but we can have a look. Oh, bloody hell. Well, that's a shock. Look at all those. That's good. Yeah, that's really good. So I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting to see that sort of amount from, I know they're only small, but they are meant as new potatoes. Yeah, I wasn't expecting to see that much. Oh, you can see that bit of rot there. Yeah, I can't imagine that it's going to be an amazing haul, which owes mainly, take that back. Yeah, I was going to say, I can't imagine it's going to be an amazing haul or great crop, whatever you want to term it as. Just the fact that the plants got frosted so quickly. Remember, as always, to take all the little ones out as well, because otherwise, wherever you tip this spent compost, you have potatoes coming up forevermore. Okay, so need to discard that bit of rubbish. Well, not massive, but that's the first pot done. Let's get the others done. What do you reckon, Willow? Any good? Yeah. Right, okay, so that's all the pots emptied. That's what I've got of decent sizing. I've chucked the really tiny stuff and the old foliage and whatnot into there. And so, yeah, we started with 10 seed potatoes of Charlotte, and that's what we've got, which actually is an alright crop given the fact that, well, really, I'm harvesting them about 2 or 3 weeks early. But yeah, that'll do. And that's that. End of video. Growing Christmas potatoes. Not a bad crop. Not as good as would have hoped, but you know, not bad. But yeah, certainly going to be a lot nicer than supermarket ones. If you got any questions, then obviously send those to me. As always, if you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos I'm doing. And obviously of me looking absolutely amazing as I do today. Yeah, I always say it, but it is so true. Enjoy what you're doing, have fun, try experimenting a little bit, and if that means that, well, next year you give growing Christmas potatoes a go, then give them a go. Not a lot to lose, but just obviously watch the temperature a bit more, not like me. So till next time, enjoy yourself, have fun, and see you soon. Bye for now.